Easy to follow advice for success in affiliate marketing. If you are not familiar with all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, it will be extremely helpful for you if you did some research. While this can be a very lucrative opportunity, there are some chances of losing more than you gain. Being aware of the entire process can only be a good thing for you. To find your audience before you even mention your product, create a series of videos. Record a short video of yourself talking about a different topic every week, or about the same topic under different angles. Post them on a popular video hosting website. Once you have enough followers, do a video about the product you are selling. Take advantage of press releases to boost your internet marketing efforts. Using a press release is a great way to raise awareness about your business and to reach new customers. There are a number of online distribution networks available for sharing press releases, making it easy to announce newsworthy items related to your business. Know the tracking processes that your affiliates use to track visitors from your website to theirs and on to successful sales. Make sure that these tracking procedures are robust and cover sales that get made offline. Inadequate customer tracking can cost you money in commissions that your affiliates rightly owe you for the sales that you generate. Keyword tracking software can greatly enhance the effectiveness of affiliate marketing programs. Such software lets webmasters see which pages on their websites are visited by surfers looking for particular keywords. With this information, a website owner can tailor such pages to direct his or her visitors to affiliates that offer the products or services that will interest them most. When trying to get ahead in affiliate marketing, it's a good idea to use some type of time management software to assist you. By using software to help you, you can set start dates, time yourself, and keep better track of what you're doing. Software makes it easy to streamline the process, and keeping track of time helps you stay on task. When selecting your channels and establishing affiliates, try different types to see which are the most effective. When you compare the results coming from different channels, you will start to see what types of channels bring you the most business, and which ones are just mediocre. You want to retain the ones who are making the most money for you. As the beginning of the video stated, it is important that you do your research on affiliate marketing. Make sure that you fully understand every aspect of it before you attempt to make any investments into anything. If you have any doubts about anything, then it is best that you not participate. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.